Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can follow someone on Phantom Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. To do that, simply go ahead, open up your Phantom Wallet app, and then right over here you will find this kind of interface. Tap on this account option on top left corner. Now tap on this option of gear icon. Then from over here you will find plenty of options, including the option called Wallet Watcher. For that you have to be verified and you have to go into the trading options as well. Once you found the option of Wallet Watcher, you're going to go ahead, tap on this option of Wallet Watcher, and then tap on this option of Add Wallet and enter the public address that you have received that you would like to follow, and then simply go ahead, tap on the follow to start getting interacted with them. And that is how you will be able to follow a certain wallet on Phantom like that. So make sure that you will not be able to sell, swap, or buy tokens from the wallet you are tracking itself. If that is not possible, you can do the interaction though. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.